I got a Sony's Cyber Shot here, and I believe the screen's bad. I picked one up off of eBay, as you can see. Hopefully, this little guy right here is going to fix my issue. Turn this on. Hopefully, you can see the lines in the screen. I'm thinking it's a screen, so 20-some bucks. We're gonna give her a shot. We're gonna get some screws pulled out of here and see where we're at. Never took this apart. We'll see what happens. I'm gonna take the battery out just like you would anything else. And I'm only seeing a couple screws in the bottom, and we'll get those out.